Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I will solve the Fizz Buzz problem in JavaScript, and let's get started. So Fizz Buzz is a task where the programmer is asked to print n, but we will iterate through n with I. So if I is the multiple of 3, it should print fizz. If I is the multiple of 5, it should print buzz. And if I is the multiple of 3 and 5, it should print Fizz Buzz. And if I is none of the conditions above here, it should just print the number. So let's start with the function of Fizz Buzz. So const Fizz Buzz is equal to n, the arrow function here. So n will be here how many times we will iterate, how many numbers we should go through. So let's say 50, not too many, so we can also see this here. And for that we first need a loop. So let's make I, let's start at 1. The condition is if I is less or equal to n and I++. So we start with the first condition, and I think we should start with this because that's in the most cases where Fizz Buzz is solved, it's started with this. So let's write here if I modulo 3, I will explain everything right now if you don't know what modulo is equal to the same value and type as 0, and I modulo 5 is the same type or equal to 0, then we'll console log Fizz Buzz. So what are we doing here? So if I is completely divisible by 3 and it doesn't have any remainder, then this means that the number is the multiple of 3. And this counts the same for 5. So if I is completely divisible by 5 and it doesn't have any remainder, this means that the number is also the multiple of 5. So we will console log Fizz Buzz. Then we'll also have these two cases where we console log it only when I is a multiple of 3 and when I is a multiple of 5. So let's call that 2. So else if I is only the modulo of 3 and has the same value and the type of 0, then we'll console log just fizz. And the next condition is here else if I modulo 5 is equal to the same type and value as 0, then we will console log buzz. And what did I do here? Yeah, and if nothing of the conditions are true, then we will just console log I. Yeah, so this is the whole code. So we'll go again through it. So we have the number n, and we will iterate through it with I as long as it is less or equal to n. And so if I modulo 3 equals to 0, so if I is completely divisible by 3 and it doesn't have any remainder, that means that the number is a multiple of 3. And we also have to check if the I is the multiple of 5, and if it doesn't got any remainders, then in that case we need to console log Fizz Buzz. And that same logic logic applies to these two, where we only here check if I is divisible by 3, if the number is the multiple of 3, and if I is the multiple of 5. Then we'll console log fizz and buzz, and lastly, if these conditions doesn't count for I, then we just console log I. So let's start the code. Node Fizzbuzz, and here we got the solution. So 1 to fizz for buzz, fizz 7 8 fizz buzz, 11 fizz, 13 14 fizz buzz. So we can see 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5, if I said it right. Okay, this was the video, so thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. If you like this tutorial and want to see more of it, then don't mind comment what I should do next, and thanks for watching. Bye.